Hey guys, OnePlus is nearly ready to announce its flagship phones for 2020, but plenty of details about the devices have already leaked. In case you haven't been keeping up with the slow trickle of new information, I've already made dedicated videos about the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. So if you want, you can check out those videos. Link will be in the cards. In today's video, we'll be taking a close look at camera department of OnePlus 8 Pro. New leaks for the OnePlus 8 Pro reveal that the phone may come in good looking deep blue color that might be exclusive to the Pro model of OnePlus 8. That blue color will apparently be called ultramarine blue according to WinFuture. Here's another look at the device's full front and back thanks to what appeared to be leaked marketing render shared by WinFuture. The renders shared by WinFuture also seem to show the same quad camera setup found in previous leaked renders. This camera setup apparently consists of two 48 megapixel cameras. The first one is a 48 megapixel Sony IMX689 sensor, which will be the main wide-angle camera sensor with an f/1.78 aperture. The second sensor is again 48 megapixel but a different sensor from the primary one. The second sensor will be a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, which will be an ultra wide angle camera with 120-degree field of view with an f/2.2 aperture. Third sensor will be an 8 megapixel 3x optical and 30x digital zoom telephoto lens with an f/2.4 aperture, and a 5 megapixel sensor used for recording additional color data according to WinFuture. The phone would also have a night portrait mode, 3 HDR video, cinematic effects and improved optical image stabilization. The OnePlus 8 Pro may also come in onyx black and a seafoam green called glacial green, but it reportedly won't come in the purplish red interstellar glow that might be coming to the OnePlus 8. That color could be exclusive to the OnePlus 8 only. The OnePlus 8 Pro is rumored to have a 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus display panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G processor. It will also have LPDDR5 RAM, 30-watt wireless charging and 3-watt reverse wireless charging. Both the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro are expected to be announced at an online event on April 14th. With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.